Hey everyone, Thomas once again here at MGMClassicCars.com. I have this 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle that's gone through a nice restoration. As you can see, super nice engine compartment that you can definitely take to a car show and show this thing off. I mean, the core support has been painted, really nice. It's got the aluminum radiator upgraded. You got the 350 engine, mild cam. You got headers, chrome kit setup, power steering, power disc brakes with as you see, the booster and the master cylinder. Firewall has been painted as well in that nice blue color, like the exterior, and also where the cowl vents go. That's been painted a gloss black. Nice under the hood as well, guys. You got the blue LED lights in the front. Brand new grille, brand new chrome bumpers, everything. You know, the inner fenders have been painted, as you can see there. Frame is really nice on the car. Stock A-arms in the front. Handles great. As far as the paint itself on the exterior, I'm going to rate this an easy 8 out of 10. People go, why an 8? Well, it's not a $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 paint job. It's like a $15,000 paint job. So it's nice. The body is straight. You got the American racing wheels with the BFGs in the front. You got really nice door sill plates there. Okay, all brand new. Door lips are really nice. Looks like original pinch welds there. Brand new door panels. Inner outer jambs are really nice on the car all around. You got the bucket seats for a 70 Chevelle, 71, 72. You got a nice rear seat in the back, package tray, headliner. And then you got the SS gauge package, and that looks like an original SS gauge package along with the center console. Triple gauge package has been added. There is no radio to the car. Dash pad looks great along with the weather stripping. That looks good as well. Okay, as you can see there, guys, nice and straight. Rear chrome bumpers new. Lenses look new on the car. Weather stripping brand new along with the trunk restored. Nice black SS rally stripes. Dual exhaust. Straight on the body panels, guys. Really straight, really nice. As you can see there, inner outer jambs done. This could be done a little bit better with a little bit more foam, but that's not a big deal, guys. Okay, dual sport mirrors as well. Like I told you, the cowl has been painted a solid black. I want to fire this thing up. I want you guys to hear it. Underneath is super clean as well. You guys should check that out on my website. Let's fire this thing up. Sounds good. All right, everybody. So if you need financing, we do have some creative financing. You must have good credit, and all the approvals are based off your credit profile. So keep that in mind. Credit score, if you're about a 620 up to like a 775, you will need 10% down of the purchase price of the vehicle. If you're over like 780 plus, I possibly have a no money down option for you guys. Now keep in mind, you can roll in any upgrades that you're looking for. Okay, and I can go over that in a minute here, on what upgrade somebody would possibly want, but just the general stuff I'll go over. And again, if you're over an 800 score, possible no money down loan as well. So as far as some of the upgrades that you can roll into your loan as well, okay, some of the things. So if you're looking for a Bluetooth radio or something like that, we can add that to your loan amount. Or we can add the kick panel speakers, the 6x9s in the back, and obviously a nice radio there with the Bluetooth as well. We also have now rear view cameras if you guys want, that goes on your rear view mirror. We have the original one for here for this car, but if you want an additional rear view mirror, rear view mirror with a backup camera, it's a 7-inch screen there. We can install that too, guys. And again, you can roll in all of this into your loan amounts. If you wanted tinted windows, we can do that as well. If you wanted an air conditioning kit installed, we can roll that in too. But I mean, besides that, those items there, you already got the LED lights. You can get the LED lights for the rear if you wanted to. So if you wanted to lower the car, you can do that as well. So just keep that in mind. There's a few things that we can obviously just roll into your loan amount, and you can speak with me about that. My name's Thomas. If you need delivery, guys, just call or text. I prefer text. Send me over the year, make, and model, stock number if you have it, and I'll get you a quote right to your driveway. My number is 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.